Mabuhay Philippines! Namaste India! Bimbo ko Neha Vlogs! Please subscribe to Daddy's channel! I'm excited, Daddy! Thank you!
Guys, pupunta kami sa river. Kasama ko si bayaw ko, si Kartik at saka si Aswin.
Hello. Hi.
Aswin.
Hello.
Okay. Bali ito yung place ni Aswin, Sundalpura. So ipapasyal niya kami. So sabi niya titingnan namin yung river. Big river, yeah?
Yeah. This big river for this village. Pass to middle village.
Pass to middle village.
Yeah.
Big, I mean, this is village, then another village.
Yeah. No.
Okay, so titingnan namin kung gaano kalaki yung river, how big river is this, and I think too many people there or no people?
Yeah. Too many people.
Too many people?
Watch beautiful place for river.
Okay, so let's see kung beautiful nga sinasabi ni bayaw ko. Titingnan natin, baka nagyayabang lang si bayaw. Okay, so see you in the river.
Oh, bye.
Ito na pala yung papunta sa river, oh. Malapit na kami. Kaya pala ganito na ang daan, rough road na. So, excited na ba kayong makita yung river ng Sundalpura? So, I think nakikita ko na ang river. We are near now, yeah, the river.
Very good.
Oh, beautiful house. This is very quiet place for them. Look, two big house. And this is Hindu temple, yeah? Oh, no private. Ayan guys, oh.
Sometime here to crocodile.
Crocodile?
Yeah.
Yeah, possibly there is crocodile here, yeah?
Kaya magaraman. Yeah?
I one.
No, but
That side. Okay.
My God.
Yan, oh. Ang laking river nito, oh.
Baru check bike lane guys, badan check.
Minsan daw napupuno
Yeah.
yung bridge na yun ng tubig, oh.
Yeah.
Oh, dia.
जानो दिन क्या?
हाँ
हैं?
चलो घास देखा है क्या सुधी થઈ ગયું ને.
Ayan, oh, ang lawak ng river na to, oh. Minsan daw napupuno yung bridge na yun ng tubig, oh. Ganun kataas na ng bridge na yun, eh, maabot pa yung tubig doon.
ठीक है?
No gas?
चाली ना क्या? So,
What's happened? No gas? So, okay. We can just go around like this and then... And they are swimming there. The children. Look.
oh my God.
Oh.
हेलो तो अगर पानी छोड़ो तो लोचाना पड़ा अचानक
ના છોડે
हाँ
ના છોડે કોરી વાળાને લાઉડ કરો શું આ કોરી વાળા
Ayan guys, oh. Ang luang ng river na to, oh. May mga naliligo rin, oh. Titingnan namin. So, they are from Sundalpura, these people. Look. Yan, oh. Puting-puti, oh. So, tingnan natin guys kung paano ang mga Indian maligo sa river. Yan, oh. Ang dami, oh. Yan guys, oh. Mga Indian, oh. Naliligo dito sa river, oh. Dinadayo pa nila ito para maligo sila dito. Ang linis pala. Very clean river,
clean
yeah?
water.
Yeah. Very clean, oh. Ang dami, oh.
Sometimes over the fly water. This area.
Okay. I want to check how clean it is.
What?
No, I will just
yeah.
touch it. No, with this.
Okay.
Check natin guys kung gaano kalinis yung tubig, oh. Ayan, oh. Malinis nga. Sarap maligo, oh.
Very clean.
Yeah, very clean water.
Yeah, good.
Aswin, you sometimes... Ayan, no? But it's nice to swim here.
Yeah.
Very nice.
But very clear.
But
Water.
Come Diva.
that side?
Huh?
Okay. Mga bata. Ako lang siguro yung kauna-unahang Pilipinong nakarating dito, oh, sa river na to. Oh. So, I'm not sure, pero I think I'm the only first Filipino who visited this place. So, I think Kartik will... Are you going to jump now, Kartik? Don't jump.
No?
Don't jump. You know, is there a fish here?
Your fish here.
Fish.
You small?
Small fish.
How about big? No? Maybe.
You what?
Mm,
You came the camel the room.
okay.
Camel.
Walang fish. No fish. Crocodile, sometimes there is crocodile here, yeah?
Yeah.
The area,
No, other.
the other. This is going to Baroda as well. Baroda, yeah?
Baroda.
Baro.
No fish.
No fish. Naubos na. It's very hot now.
Wasu sa
Ayan guys, oh. Talagang first time kong narating itong... How you call this river? What is name of this river?
શું નામ છે?
Your Maisagar.
મહીસાગર.
Mais
Big
river. Maisagar. This they call daw
so
Village Lalpura.
longer.
longer. Maisagar. Maisagar River. Kung tawagin nila ito, oh. Masyadong malaki.
Mahinadi.
Ha?
Mahinadi.
Mahinagi?
Ah.
Okay.
Pacho tapa hoy. અહીંયા મસ્ત લાગશે.
Mahinagar. I don't know. It means long river.
Yeah, long video.
I never imagine na mararating ko itong lugar na to. Oh. Never dream na makapunta ako sa isang malaking river dito sa India. But now I am here. This is life. Very clean river. It's very deep this side. This area, yan ang malalim, oh.
Oh, kalali.
Nagpapa-picture si Kartik, oh, pang
Ano?
Facebook. So guys, baka masyadong mainit din kasi, oh. Sakit sa balat. Pataas na kami, oh.
Good driving for you.
Oh my God.
Oh, true.
Do you think we can make it? Pataas, oh. Pataas ng pataas to.
Good. Good for driving.
Yeah, good. Hopefully. And it's alright. It's not the slippery.
Good.
Look. Oh. No, it's the other side. Hmm. Oh, yeah. Look, bye-bye, river. It's okay. This So pupunta na kami ngayon ng farm, baka tomorrow hindi na kami makapunta, so mas magandang ngayon na. Kasi kasama si Nanine, mahirap pagka may mga bata, so better this evening na. Kaya lang medyo malayo pa pala, 6 kilometers from here, so let's see kung anong makikita natin sa farm ito ni Lolo. So first time kong makikita kung anong meron sila doon. Ayan guys, so ito na yung papasok sa farm ng lolo ni Shama. Maganda dito, oh. So tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa farm nila. Hindi naman kalakihan yung farm nila, so gusto ko lang makita kung anong meron sila. Wala pang masyadong bahay dito sa lugar na to. Puro farmers din yung mga taga Sundalpura. Sundalpura people, farmers?
Yeah, all farmers.
All farmers, yeah?
Yeah.
Puro farmers dito yung mga hanap buhay ng tao.
Because big was farmer
Big,
space.
big land, yeah,
Ah,
big
big
land.
land.
Big land.
Ah.
So, yun nga, puro ang trabaho ng mga tao dito ay sa farm.
Very big investment.
Yeah. But owner of this is from Sundalpura?
Yeah, honor.
Owner of land is Sundalpura?
Singapore.
Okay. Ayan, no? Ang lawak ng taniman dito. Kaya puro farmers daw ang mga taga Sundalpura. Ito na, papasok na kami sa lupa ng lolo ni Shama. Namatay pa ang motor ng... Is it near? It's near now, yeah? Ayan ang mga bakal lalaki, oh. At least tumatabi sila, oh. Oh, dear. Oh my God, oh. Hawak-hawak po, oh. Maliblib na to, oh. We are near now, yeah?
Very near.
Very near now, I think.
वहाँ पे कोई करो तारा हो
Ano, daming kalabaw, oh.
वहाँ जाते कोई हैं आपने को क्या नहीं कोई ना इच्छा
Pasikot-sikot na, oh. Oh. And look. Okay, I think we are here now.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Kartik is showing me this side. Oh, one second. Okay. So this is the land of Lolo, grandfather.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will check it. Ayan guys, oh. Iinom lang sila.
Drink water.
Yeah, I'm going for wee first and then I will drink.
Home.
This is the property of Shama's grandfather. This is quite big. So what they plant?
Ringling. Yeah, with tamaku.
Tobacco or
Yeah, ringling.
ringli? What is ringli?
Benjan.
Bang.
This is for chapati flour? No.
Benjan.
What is benjan?
Like rule benjan, black.
Ah, this eggplant.
Yeah.
Eggplant, yeah?
You like eggplant?
yeah,
I like a benjan.
Talong. We call it talong. Is it, you plant already or not yet?
No.
No.
No, na prepare.
Prepare for
Oh, yeah. Preparation lang pala. How much you pay for tractor? Ketla, how much you pay for tractor?
Ana.
one tractor के ला एक
Tani mate.
Bali, ayan o, talong pala itatanim nila dito.
1,000 one tractor 1,000
1,000, yan o,
very costly
1,000 ang binayad sa traktura. Piniprepare nila para sa pagtatanim ng talong. Oh, but that is good. At least napapakinabangan nila yung lupa nila dito. Oh. So this is mango. Property ng lolo ni Shama. So tatamnan nila ngayon ng talong. Oh, yan oh. Yung mga, yeah. This is, okay. This is your side.
yeah.
Your side.
Okay, your side.
52 mango trees
52.
Yeah.
Oh, ang dami pala oh. 52 mango trees. Ang ganda ng lupa dito oh.
How many people?
Look oh.
Kati amle.
like
I know this. We call it kamet chili in Philippines.
yeah.
Kamet chili. Yan oh. Gustong gusto yun ng mga monkey rito.
How many mango? किसका मैंगो नहीं दे
This is mango.
ना कापे ना
Medyo malayo nga lang, pero ito may yung kalapit niya may bahay dito. Oh. Malayo nga lang sa kung saan sila nakatira, mga 6 kilometer pa. Tapos yung daan pa loob, rough road pa rin. So, pero ang gandang property nito, oh, patag na patag, oh. Tapos mataas pa siya. Pero sa tingin ko ano to eh, mga 500, mga 2,000. Siguro nasa 3,000 square meter to. O mahigit.
कहीं नहीं था कोची चंदूला में कहीं नहीं था
3,000 square meter. At least naaalagaan nila dito yung property nila. Ayan guys, oh. Tinatraktura nila yung lupa. Bari, puro traktura na dito sa India. Wala nang mga kalabaw o baka, oh. Ayan, oh. Daming tagak, oh. It's nice.
What is this?
Huh?
What is this?
The birds?
Yeah.
I don't know. We called it tagak in Philippines.
Saga.
Tagak, sakti.
So right at this.
No. It's difficult to drive.
Difficult to car.
Yeah, difficult to drive. This one. Just tell them documentary about agriculture.
Foreign country video बना है.
Just for documentary about Indian agriculture.
इंडियन आप लोग केहू तो खेती बाड़ी से इंडियन लोग बता जो यूट्यूब पर मुकेश
Yeah.
फॉरेन में अमेरिका आपला नहीं
हाँ.
पता था कि अमेरिका
हाँ,
से
हाँ बस.
इस कंट्री
Hmm.
वीडियो
हाँ.
We will become famous.
चैनल पर.
माप पोइन छोकरी नडियाती
हाँ फिलिपिन है.
Philippines.
त्याला देव लंगर घातला.
Tapos ito, yung milk. Can I see the milk?
Milk.
Ah, this is the milk.
Very fresh.
And he will sell to Amul.
Amul.
I drink milk every day.
You drink milk from this buffalo. All right. So that is good. Ganun palang sistema dito, bebenta nila sa Amul company. Yung Amul company parang Nestle company yan. Lahat ng dairy milk, cheese, yeah. This is the buffalo.
अमूल दान
Yeah.
अमूल दान છે ને એ કેટલું ખાય હવારે
આડો તગાર ભરી 8-7 કિલો જેવો છે. Daily.
ડેલી
6 and 7 kilo.
This
For
one,
food.
daily, yeah.
Daily.
This buffalo, Amul give to you?
તમને અમૂલ વાળા આપી business?
No,
No, you private.
Private business.
Private and then the milk sell to Amul.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Side
Okay.
income.
Okay. So
But
that is
try to
good.
understand to buffalo
So
and growing
milk.
of business.
So milk is.
your ग्राम पंचायत दो your dairy
Hmm. So
Village
village dairy your farm your village dairy your Amul dairy
Amul dairy will come and
come, yeah.
get your milk. Okay. So that is good
Good.
because market is good, yeah. Market.
કઈ દો મામન જો.
જા કુવો જો હોય તો જો બોટલ ડ્રિંક જો ખોલો
Ah, this is for water.
Wall.
Hmm.
Wall supply.
Okay.
water supply
Water supply. He's selling.
to daily water supply and the farmer
Farmers.
all
You're selling.
Yeah.
हाँ यो
Oh my God.
supply
So he's very businessman. Nagbebenta rin siya ng tubig sa mga farmers. Tapos ito sa Amul. Tapos property niya pa to. Ah, he's good.
મામા ગયા છે.
So we'll go now.
હા પેલા તોડી લો છો આગળ.
Thank you. Nice to meet you, yeah? Nice to meet you.
મળ્યા કરે.
So ayun guys, may idea na tayo sa farm ng lolo ni Shama. ni Kartik and Aswin. So nakita na natin kung anong itsura ng mga agricultural land here. So may nakausap pa tayong may-ari ng traktor. So pinarerentahan pala niya yung traktor niya. So it's quite busy agricultural job here during this time kasi rainy season na here. So at least may idea tayo. Pero dun sa amin sa Batangas kasi wala na masyadong ganitong agricultural lang, puro industrial na. So now may idea na tayo dito sa Gujarat. Kaya pala mura dito ang vegetable dahil puro agricultural land pa ang Gujarat. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Kakapagod eh. Hello guys! Today is August 11 and month of August is very important to me kasi birthday ng inay, August 13. Inay, advance happy birthday!
Say happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday!
Lola.
Lola!
See you next year in Philippines.
See you next year in the Philippines.
Okay. And then, okay, Shama.
Happy birthday to my dearest mother-in-law. On your this special day, I wish you a good health and whatever you done to us, it is like amazing mom. Thank you for being a good mom to us. Wish you a very grateful year ahead. Happy birthday.
Okay, Inay, happy birthday. Pasensya na kung wala kami dyan sa Pinas. Bali tatlo kaming kapatid na magkakapatid na wala sa Pinas. Anyway, siyam pa naman ang nandyan. Gigreet sa'yo. Madami kami, 12. So 9, meron pang 9 nag-greet sa inyo dyan. Okay, happy birthday ulit.
And Bimbo miss you lots, mommy.
It's okay, I know.
So it's time for shout out now, guys. Morisa from Najda, Abu Dhabi. Advance happy birthday on August 13 to S. Cyrus Verhel Angelo Arpalo Siple from Bago Bantay,
Quezon
City. And also advance happy birthday on August 29 to Liway Monsale.
Liway
Monsale.
Copy 80s Barako, thanks sa mga comment mo. This one si Cafe 80s Barako, thanks sa mga comments mo. And shout out daw sa, this one is very advanced, shout out future girlfriend Eileen Abdigana from Marjan TV. Shout out Arisa Marie Bulasco and Pilco Park ng RTA bus driver. Rose and Sylvie, Ricky Faite ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, sa Saragosa family ng La Paz, Tarlac, si Nucleline Cabrera ng Taiwan, Ninay Behave, and Maricel Navela from Dubai. Belated happy birthday August 9 kay Ami Bagtas ng Dubai at sa apo niya si Althea and Angelica. Happy anniversary from Chona Arenas at sa bayaw niyang si Loreto Arenas. Sa Rodriguez family, shout out, happy birthday Alchoa from Lesma Alchoa. And this one is happy birthday as well. Happy birthday August 17 kay Librada Ruz. Maraming birthday dito. Happy birthday August 12, sister-in-law from Juben Batena. And this one, happy birthday August 13 sa apo niyang si Lorne Secord Ibora. From Laguna, from Magcalas family. And Arlene Adriano, August 15, happy birthday, LA, California. And the last one is si Trismay Advincula, August 16. Tsaka pala sa pinapa-greet din ng kapatid ko, si Francis Cornejo at family niya, ang hipag ko si Wena at daughter niya si Angel. Happy birthday daw sa inay, sa lola ni Shanaya. Okay?
Thank you for watching, guys. Keep watching more and please do share us wherever on whatever apps. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday to all.